Magsasama-sama naman ang ilang Filipino-Canadian business owners para pag-usapan ang mental health ng mga negosyante. Sa likod kasi ng kanilang tagumpay, patuloy pa rin ang pagharap sa mga pressure na dala ng pagiging business owner. Ang report mula kay Rhea Santos.
But it is coming from a sense of duty and a sense of obligation to make good on the opportunities that because they've worked so hard, right? And I'm sure a lot of Filipino-Canadian kids, just like me, feel that pressure even though it's unspoken.
2017 ang i-take over ng mag-asawang Celine at Alan Bacani ang operasyon ng higit 4 na dekada ng donut store na Lee's Donuts. Di maikakaila ang tagumpay ng kanilang brand. Sa kanilang Gastown branch sa Vancouver, panay ang pasok ng mga parokyano at turista para matikman ang kanilang produkto.
Nice. Yeah, this is great. See, this makes me happy.
Pero aminado si Bacani, sa likod ng tagumpay, may hamon na dala ang pagiging Filipino-Canadian business owner.
Yes, there was already pressure, taking over a legacy brand, but it really starts with being the child of immigrants, and the pressures of having your parents come here to give you a better life. And not that they would outwardly impose these things, but growing up as a high achiever, I put a lot of that pressure on myself to do better, to always achieve more. We want them to know that their sacrifice has been worth it.
Sa Toronto, pumatok ang mga patama pagdating sa mental health ng mga Pilipino ng mga produkto ni Chris Pangilinan na Calamansi Collective. Pero gaya ng ibang negosyo, may dalang pressure daw ang maging business owner ngayon.
There's high stress, especially with social media. When things don't go to plan, you're going to be harder on yourself and saying, hey, what did I do wrong? Or what can I do differently? And why did all my hard work go to nothing?
Sa November 29, Biyernes sa Vancouver, magsasama ang Lee's Donuts at Calamansi Collective, kabilang ang ilan pang Filipino-Canadian business owners para pag-usapan ang mental health.
But there's always something that gets sacrificed along the way, and that usually shows up in the form of either strained relationships, poor health, or it affects our business in a certain way.
Bilang pagdiriwang ng kolaborasyon ng dalawang Filipino-owned businesses, isang espesyal na donut ang ilalabas nila na mabibili lamang sa November 30. Maswerte tayo dahil matitikman na natin ang donut na to.
Our calamansi donut features a calamansi flavored cake batter, cake donut, with cream cheese infused with calamansi and topped with a calamansi white chocolate bar from our friends at Kasama Chocolate on Granville Island.
Naniniwala sina Bacani at Pangilinan na walang dapat ikahiya pagdating sa usapin ng mental health.
Be able to send a message to people and saying, hey, you're not alone, we're here with you, and we're going to help you out with this.
Seeking that peace within yourself and reaching out for resources, whether it be a therapist, counselor, or a really good friend who can just lend an ear.
Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.